Hey guys, Charizard Master here, and today we're gonna be playing that one server. I haven't even uploaded the video yet. We're gonna be playing this server. If you guys watched my video before, you'll know this server. That's if I even uploaded it then. And here I'm joined with Slime Gaming YT. Slime, tell YouTube your channel, please. Slime. Slime. What'd you get? Slime. Where'd you go? Is he here? Okay, it's a cool skin. Slime. Is that him? Tell YouTube your channel, please. Oh, where is he? Is he down here? I think he is. Is that him? No. Okay guys, go check out Slime Gaming MC. That's his YouTube channel right there. Go check it out. And yeah. Meet me at Warps. Okay? Meet me at Warps, okay? Okay. Now we're gonna wait here for him. Slime. Did you hear me? Slime. Slime, slime, slime. Slime. I got better idea. TPA here. Slime. Slime Gaming MC YT. TPA here. Slime Gaming MC YT. Please work, please work, please work, please work. Please work. Hey. Okay. Slime. Okay, I see what I did one. TPA here. Slime Gaming MC YT. There we go. Now let's wait for him to appear. Okay, he should be here. Where is he? Okay, there he is. Let me hide that. Actually, no, I can't. This is Slime Gaming. Now we're gonna do Dropper. Now where is he? He should be here. Oh no! Oh no! Oh boy! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. We have to get back on the server. Don't worry, guys. It won't reset my location. I'll stay there. And there. That's my old name. Now my name is Skyfan101. Slime. Slime. Okay, he should be here in a second. No! I lived! How did I do that? There he is. Okay. Okay, here we go. Why is this thing on go blue? Okay. No. Dang it. Main on. Warps. Did he fail to? Let's hope not. Now we have to do the first one all over again. It shouldn't be that hard. Pwah! Even I don't land in the water. Right as I was saying it. He is probably at the main spawn already. Yep, and I was just inside his head. Okay. I think he lost his armor. But, yeah. Fine, if you're watching this, comment down below. Am I right? Because, I think you did. Ooh. Oh, darn dang. Oh, boy. Pro Killer. That's a weird name. I hate it when I can't run. Okay. Let me just try this again. Half a heart. Half a heart. I can't fail this one. I can't fail the next one. I can't. I just can't. Just can't. I died. I'm gonna have to go to the shop. Slime. I'm getting some food from the shop. Another one. Where is it? I think it's here. And it says they still let you buy stuff here. This is a neat little ladder. Kudos, what does kudos mean anyway? All I know is I think it means like cool or something. Well, whoever invented that little water elevator, good job. It's really neat, helpful, and everything. And, I think the food's like, no. Unless you can eat a brick, no. Silly thought. No. Skyfan 101. I really like that name, and I'm flat broke in the game. Okay. What's there? Oh, stuff like that. Is this the food? Please be food. No, not the food. Food? Oh, food! Where are you, food? There it is. There's the almighty food. Almighty food. Almighty food. Food. Glorious food. Wait. I'm broke. Slash slash warp. Slash spawn. Oi. I crashed. Not like that's a surprise. Also, guys, subscribe to Jacksepticeye and Slime and Sky does Minecraft and all those good people. Well, that's perfect. Subscribe to Dan, guy and Jacksepticeye. I can only name those ones right now. Actually, you know what? Let's just exit that and then go back. Excuse me. Do you guys think I should do a let's play or something? If you do, leave in the comments. Hey, there we go. I'm following ya. Back. Yeah. Where is he going? I've never been back here. What is it? Oh, it's fractions. Why? What the heck, dude? I can't even run. I can't even run, dude. Dude, stay away. Can I join a fact? I need to join a fact. Please. Did my slime said anything? Okay. What do I do? Okay, what do I do, dude? Okay. Slash F accept. Yay! Yeah! 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 They have a home? Oh my god, it's awesome. It's awesome. Or if you guys watch Scottish Minecraft, it's ooh. Oh. That is awesome. Hey, it's awesome. Ooh. What's this? Is he adding my name on there or something? Yeah. That's what he's doing. That would be what he's doing. Also, subscribe to my channel so you'll be able to see this video. Dude, your skin is awesome. And I bet your YouTube channel is awesome. Okay, you just broke the block. And what is wrong with my screen? Just going blah, 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 blah. You know what, I'm just gonna see if they have any food I can borrow. Wait, where am I crap? Where? I'm not gonna take that. That seems good. Good. And, yeah. Okay, we'll be closing at 12 tomorrow. SkyFan 101, yep, that's me. Just, how do you get out of here? Okay. Like, fellow YouTubers? Yeah. I'm sorry, I can't help but talk funny. The head of Dope Boy. Hi, Steve. Good. Cool. Who's Waffle Man? Okay. Iron stuff is awesome. Wrong one. Okay, I'm only gonna get stuff that ain't damaged. There's probably not a lot of stuff that ain't damaged. Any non-damaged loot in here? What about up here? Found a non-damaged chest. What about here? Yeah, non-damaged boots. I look awesome in iron armor. Dude. Might as well get a sword. Is there... Can I don't want to ask. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Imagine if I just got up and left the fraction. Like, yep, I got what I need. Yeah. But I'm not gonna do that. He's my bro. We're bros. I've never met him in real life, but yeah. Just Slime, if you're watching this video, how do I get out of here? It's awesome and all, but where do you? I know you have. What kind of is that? Why do I have extra boots? Dude. Seriously. If I want to do it. I need a helmet. Hold it. You're on my screen. Oh, go capture yourself. I'm not fun, buddy. I'm just like, I change his head. I'm just gonna look through the chests. Okay. That one has spider eyes. Holy wow! I almost said something else. This place has a lot of diamond swords. Dude, what do I say? He can't even hear me. Unless he's watching the video in that case, dude. If you live close enough to me, I'm gonna either be building or getting a small building for my YouTube channel. So if you live close enough, you can be a part of it. We can call our YouTube channels, we can call our Minecraft team, how about Team Team Minecraft. Yeah, okay, what? Sup? Sup? Did you sub? Yeah. If he sees this video, he'll actually have sub to the right channel. Go, boy. You know what? Let you know what? Let you know what? Okay. 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 Now, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Ending vid. Say bye. I like that. I like that one. Okay, peace out, guys. I like that outro.